Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Tinder Gold completely for free. So let's type in Tinder Gold cost and we're going to see. And as you can see, it's $24 a month. So that is really bad, guys. But if you want to pay for it, that is your business. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get it 100% for free. So basically, there's a modded version that you can download for your device in 2025. It's on zoomods.com. So come over here and type it in. And there it is somewhere. There it is, Tinder mod. So go ahead and press on it and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, you may see something that tells you that you have to download some missing files for it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. All right, so this is super easy, guys. So we're just going to wait for it to load and we should be all set. So as you can see, it is almost done. So basically, guys, what will happen is we're going to see that page where it tells us that there are missing files required that we need to download to get Tinder Gold. So there's going to be videos here, and if you do need to watch the video, that is helpful. But as you can see, we got all the apps. So this one says reach level 10, so just press on it, press continue, takes me to the store, download it, reach level 10. It's a game. If you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store, but I'm using an Android. I've also got Merge Gardens, tells me to reach level 9, so I could do that one. There's so many to choose from, guys. So just do 2 of them. Then the Tinder Gold mod is going to download onto your phone. So be sure to try it out, guys. This is totally updated. And everyone's always like, oh, like, how do you get Tinder Gold? Guys, this is how people are getting it for free. They're keeping this a secret. They're not going to obviously tell you. But it is fully working, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more content like this. But it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it. And peace out.